Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To manage app permissions, you'll need to click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings, and now you should go to privacy. Now go to app permissions and then click on OK. Now you can select which type of permission you want to manage. You can manage contacts, phone, files and media, microphone, or go to other permissions to see things like calendar, call logs, camera, physical activity, location or SMS. Now let's select any of the apps that you want to any of the permission that you want to manage, for example files and media, and now you'll see which apps are allowed and which are not allowed. You'll also see system apps once you click on show system apps. You can see that all system apps currently are allowed from what I can see, and most of them cannot be disallowed. Then in allowed I also have 3 apps that are required to, like, the permission is required to operate, but if I had any I could click on it, then select for example disallow, and it'll move down to not allowed section. Let's see if I can do it for like phone. No, I can't, but maybe for contacts. I also can't, but maybe for microphone. Let's see that. No, I also can't, but if I go to like any other permission, let's see, it may be difficult to find one, but yeah, I'll try to go to system apps and select Google Play services. You can see you can allow access to media only or don't allow. And that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.